Teaching techniques. The best way to help students understand the differences between qualitative and quantitative data is to give them a list of different examples of data and ask them to sort these into different categories. You can then ask them why they have placed them in the different groups. Here we have a long list of types of data, and they need to be put under either qualitative data or quantitative data. To make this more interesting, this can involve students moving around the classroom. You can give them cards with different examples of data and have them group themselves into the different types of data. For this topic, you can try something called reverse learning, which can be more interesting than just telling students the answers. You can give them examples of data and tell them to group these in whatever way they like. Get them discussing why they are putting certain pieces of data in different groups. You could find that they automatically separate qualitative and quantitative data, and perhaps even group the quantitative data into discrete and continuous data. Even if they do not, it can be a good discussion and get students explaining the connections they see between the different examples of data before you explain the different categories. Once they have done their grouping, you can begin to explain why we split data into qualitative and quantitative and ask if they think any of their examples may need to be moved. When this is done, you can go further and see if they can find any differences in the quantitative data. If some do, they can then discuss this. Those that don't, you can prompt them to start comparing between discrete and continuous data. This can all work to engage them with the topic, getting them thinking about and discussing the relationships between types of data and anything they might spot that is the same in different examples of data.